Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Last time we talked about the introduction of this lesson, that is the sounds in the evening. So we will today only read this poem, and tomorrow I'll tell you or tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll tell you the meaning of this poem. Today we are going to recite this poem only, okay? The sounds in the evening go all through the house, the click of the clock and the pick of the mouse, the footsteps of people upon the top floor, the skirts of my mother that brush by the door, the creak in the boards and the creak of the chairs, the fluttering murmurs outside on the stairs. Outside on the stairs, the ring of the bell, the arrival of guests, the laugh of my father. At one of his gestures, the clashing of dishes as dinner goes in, the babble of voices that distance makes thin, the mewing of cats that seem just by my ear, the hooting of owls that can never seem near, the queer little noises that no one explains, till the moon through the slats of my window blind rains, and the world of my eyes and my ear smells like steam as I find my pillow, the world of my dream. So here he is telling that what type of noises we hear in the evening usually, okay? सबके साथ तो कोई डिफरेंट नॉइज सुनता है, एक नॉइज सुनेगा, दूसरा नॉइज सुनेगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे ऑथर ने क्या कहा है कि मोस्टली जो है यही आवाज़ें होती रहती है रात भर, ठीक है? For example, the sounds in the evening go all through the house. So he's telling that the sounds in the evening are going through the house, all through the house. There is noise everywhere. The sounds are happening everywhere. The click of the clock, first of all, he's telling the click of the clock, tick, 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 and the pick of the mouse, critch, 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 okay? The footsteps of people, tap, 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 upon the top floor. So they are the author, he's telling that a child is sleeping there in the down story, and in the upper story the people are moving, okay? Tap tap tap, footsteps of the people upon the top floor, upar wale floor mein. The skirts of my mother that brush by the door, the skirts of my mother are hung on the door, and they brush when we open the door, they brush by the door, they touch the door and make sounds, okay? The creak in the boards, creak means sound, okay? Creak creak, that type of sound. And the creak of the chairs, creak means जैसे अगर कुर्सी टूट जाएगी या हम कुर्सी पे बैठ जाएंगे, सच ना तैयार सा फटनस, तो वो वाली साउंड जो होती है. And the creak of the chairs, the fluttering murmurs outside on the stairs. Murmurs means speaking softly in a way that it is difficult to understand, धीरे धीरे बात करना. Outside on the stairs, the ring of the bell. So outside on the stairs, there is a ring of the bell, the arrival of guests. The guests have arrived. So the laugh of my father at one of his jests. Jests means jokes. So my father laughs or jokes. I can hear that sound in the evening. The clashing of dishes as dinner goes in, and whenever we have dinner, obviously you have to wash the dishes. So that sound of the dishes also we hear that. The babble of voices that distance makes thin. Babble means speech that is difficult to understand. So for example, the babble of the voices that distance makes thin. So नेबर में जो ये है, obviously neighbors जो होते हैं वो थोड़े दूर होते हैं, तो वहाँ की जो babbling voices आ जाती है जो हम समझ नहीं पाते. हम आवाज़ें सुनते हैं लेकिन पूरा नहीं सुनते हैं, वो समझ में नहीं आती है. सो दैट डिस्टेंस मेक्स थिन. डिस्टेंस मेक्स थिन मीन्स नेबर्स जो है वो थोड़ा दूर है, और उन उस डिस्टेंस की वजह से जो है आवाज़ है वो थिन होती जा रही है, वो कम कम होती जा रही है. हम खाली वो वॉइसेस सुन रहे हैं लेकिन एक्चुअली नहीं सुन रहे हैं कि वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है? The mewing of cats that seem just by my ear. I think that cat is mewing in my ear. That the hooting of owls that can never seem near. So the owl hoots because the owl doesn't come near to the bed, okay? So that can never seem near. The cure little noises that no one explains. Cure means old or odd or strange. So I hear little noises that no one can explain. Strange voices, okay? Till the moon through the slats. Slats means thin flat pieces of wood used in window blinds or other furniture, okay? The thin pieces of wood that are used in window blinds or other furniture. Till the moon through the slats of my window blind of my window blind rains. So the moon comes from there. I can see the moon and the world of till the moon through the slats. Slats means this thin flat pieces of wood used in window. Through the slats of my window blind rains. So window blind means when there is no window. Okay. And the world of my eyes and my ears melts like steam. So my ear melts like what? Steam जैसे melt होती है. As I find my pillow, the world of my dream. So as I find my pillow, the world of my dream, I sleep on my pillow and dream about all these things. Okay. Till the moon through the slats of my window blind rains and the world of my eyes and my ears melts like steam as I find my pillow, the world of my dream. So when she sees that moon, she falls asleep and she dreams about all these things. Okay, so we have only recited this poem today. टुमारो हमने खाली इसकी सरफेस मीनिंग पढ़ी है इस टाइम. कल हम इसकी पूरी मीनिंग पढ़ेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू रीड दिस पोइम डीपली टुमारो. ओके. And I'm going to tell you what are the poetic devices that has been used in this poem. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. It's very cold outside, so stay inside. Keep yourself warm. Allah Hafiz.